Okay, I know you want to protect your expensive hair color job. And what if I told you that there's a color protection line that's not full of chemicals? So grab yourself a cocktail or a hot beverage and come hang out with me. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. For everyone who's new here, I am Erica, your curl dresser, and welcome to a Wild Curl Wednesday. One of the things that I used to love about my curls is that they were wild. I love my curls. So when I did a day change from Friday, I decided to go back to my roots of being wild. This video is about the EVOLVh Smart Color line as well as their Ultra Repair. This line is free from, and I put it in alphabetical order so that it was easier for me to remember. It's free from ethoxylate, gluten, paraben, panthenol, phthalates, silicone, and synthetic fragrance, and it is non-GMO, and my hand was backwards. The two products that are in the Smart Color division are the Color Protecting Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the shampoo, and it is crystal clear. There's no chemicals, anything, no coloring. I've used the shampoo several times now. The first time I used it, I was washing out my hair color. So my hair felt a little more straw-like because, let's face it, after you color your hair feels like straw. But when I used it 3 or 4 times after that, it wasn't as bad. I could just about get my fingers through my hair without the conditioner, but of course I use the conditioner because I don't want to rip anything out of my head. As we mature and we don't want our hair being ripped out of our head, we try to be a little more gentle. Or at least I do. I don't know about the rest of you. The one thing about this shampoo, as with all their others, a small amount. A small amount will give you a fantastic lather. How do I know? Because the first time I used too much. That's how I know, and that's how I remember. Here are some of the key ingredients they use and the benefits we get from it. And of course, it is a gentle cleanser specifically for color-treated hair. It uses shea butter so that it infuses nutrients into the hair for increased silkiness and a brilliant shine. It has kupu seed oil, and yes, I am very confident in my pronunciation. I looked it up. So kupu seed oil helps to strengthen and protect against breakage and splitting. And tyrosine. This is the key element because tyrosine is from soy amino acids, and it locks in color to reduce fading. Kiwi and safflower seed oil help to hydrate and moisturize. All of these ingredients have more than one benefit. I just simplified it a little bit to make it easier. I have an announcement at the end, my curlies, so hang around for me. And of course, any shampoo is going to have its companion conditioner. This is the Smart Color Color Protecting Hydrating Conditioner. This is very lightweight, so take a peek. I only needed 3 pumps, just 3, that was it. It kind of liquefies. It doesn't stay thick and heavy. It kind of melts into the hair. It's different. I mean, look, after I rinsed this out, my hair felt silky. Yes, silky. I know it's a weird word to use when you're talking about curly hair, but yeah, it felt silky. Not like I had rinsed out the conditioner. It was kind of like it was still there. Some of the key ingredients with their benefits in the conditioner. They use passion flower extract, and this helps strengthen and protect from breakage and splitting. Kiwi and safflower smooths strands and eliminates frizz. Sunflower seed oil gives softer, silkier strands and brilliant shine. And again with the tyrosine because this helps to protect color-treated hair. They say to start with a dime-sized dollop and then add more as needed. Now, I told you I used 3 pumps total, but my hair is a little thicker and longer than someone with shorter, finer hair. Yay! With all products, you focus on the mid-lengths to ends, and with the residual that's in your hand is what you do on the rest of the hair closest to the scalp. And you know, as curlies, we're supposed to rinse with cool water. They say to do it with warm, so I cut the difference. I did it in between. For more intense moisturizing, you can comb it through, stick it up in a clip with a processing cap. This way, your hair is opening up with the heat, and you're going to not have the product dripping down your back, down the drain. That's my 2 cents. If you're finding this product review helpful, go give it a thumbs up for me down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button too. My goal is to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. Is it possible? With my curlies' help? Yes, it is. Anything is possible. We are down to the last product, and that is their Ultra Repair Reconstructing Masque. This, as with all of their other products, is fairly light when it comes out. This is a bit more of a creamy texture compared to the Smart Color Conditioner. Now let's take a look at the key ingredients and the benefits that benefit color-treated hair. This also uses the Kupawaku seed oil. This conditions deep down to transform and repair hair. Mango fruit extract seals the cuticle for extra softness and shine. Sunflower seed oil nourishes and fortifies hair. The tyrosine helps to restore dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. The mango fruit extract also smooths strands and fights frizz. The red grapeseed oil strengthens and minimizes breakage. Like I said earlier, one ingredient has more than one benefit to it. And that's why the mango fruit extract is in there twice, because it has dual benefits. The directions are to apply to clean, wet hair. You're then going to use a wide tooth comb to comb it through. Now you can either rinse it immediately, or for deeper repair, you're going to comb it through, stick it up in a clip under a processing cap for up to 15 minutes. There are 2 pro tips that they give as far as using the Ultra Repair Reconstructing Masque. The first one is, if you are going to be color treating your hair, is to put in the Ultra Repair Reconstructing Masque, let your hair dry, and then color your hair. Yes, with the Ultra Repair inside. This improves your hair with the amino acid tyrosine. The tyrosine is the ingredient that holds onto the color pigment. And that's why it's in the shampoo, conditioner, and Ultra Repair. The second pro tip is for curly hair, my girls and guys. They say once or twice a week, you can skip the conditioner and use the Ultra Repair as your leave-in. Yes, as your leave-in. I've done it, and my curls are happy, and they look good. This is the final roundup on EVOLVh. I think I have now tried almost everything, I think except for their volume shampoo, but I'm afraid it's going to be too drying for my curls because I need something a little more hydrating, like the Smart Curl or the Smart Color. So far, I have liked all of their shampoos, their conditioners, and the Ultra Repair. I have also gotten a handle on the Smart Curl leave-in spray conditioner, so I'm liking that better. I am still taking the Better Roots Complex, still using the serum on my scalp as well as the styling foam. The styling foam, again, is to help hair regrowth as well as repigmentation of gray hair. Some of you have mentioned to me that the stylers make your hair feel dry to the touch. This is how my curls react too, but they still look good. Some of you don't have that problem. You've said that you don't find that it makes your hair feel dry. This is what I mean when I say that everyone's chemical and hormonal makeup is different, and it's going to change how things work and feel on you. All right, my curlies, this is our special message. We have one more video before Hanukkah, Christmas, and Kwanzaa, because they all fall in the same 2 days this year, which I absolutely love. I am going to take off that week because posting on Christmas Day and Hanukkah Eve seems a little silly. And I may even take off the week after that on New Year's Day. Again, who's going to be wanting to watch me? I hope you will go back while we are off and you will watch some of my older videos, but not too old because those are embarrassing. Go back maybe a year and a half and then watch those. If you could help me with my algorithm while I take a much needed break, I would appreciate it, my curlies. See you for my next video. Cheers and ciao for now. Excuse me, Piglet. And so soon. Are you ready? Come on, come on, come on. All right, pretend you're talking to Maria. Pretend you're talking to Maria. Last one, right? Last one, my ass. Okay, okay, okay. Do you want to what? Do you want to pump with me? Or is it jump? Okay. Go back to work, Erica. Grab yourselves a cocktail. It is free from exophthalate. Exophthalate? Their reconstruction mask or reconstructing mask. All right, I'm turning it off.